Hello! With the latest version of the debug adapter for Apache Camel, the version 0.2.0, I will demo how to start and debug a simple camel route with a single command. So now I have a camel route, very basic. If I call the command palette, I can call the start camel application with JBang and Debug. I click on it and it is starting the route. It assumes that I have JBang installed. And after it is waiting that the route is ready. And when it is ready, I can put my breakpoint here and I'm ready to have the camel debugger. I hope you enjoyed this very simplified way to debug your camel route.